I am aboard the Gen 3 Suzuki Hayabusa, codenamed Shiva Rose, a machine built for speed, power, and pure adrenaline. But today's ride isn't just about horsepower. It's about the brotherhood.
The guy! Oh shit, the guy! It's right here, baby. POWAMOTO, Miami's #1. We outside with it on POWAMOTO. Oh, you okay, bro?
Yeah, I'm good.
You good? You okay, bro? You all right? You okay, bro? You okay, bro?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Okay, be safe.
POWAMOTO. Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And I came to rah. POWAMOTO.
Out here, one mistake can end the whole ride. The road opens up, engines roar. Shiva Rose glides through the pack like a predator. Watch her go. She's so smooth, powerful, and controlled. The Gen 3 Suzuki Hayabusa showing exactly why it's still one of the most respected machines ever built.
Subscribe today and hit the thumbs up, please! Woo! Yeah. Let's ride! We love POWAMOTO! On POWAMOTO! The bikers are here. We got the Hayabusa rider at Gmail, but it's Hayabusa like HY, like how you doing, Hayabusa rider. He's got his Busa with the funny face on the front. Then we got the Gen 2, and that's Mikey Mike. He's got the big, fattest freaking chain I've ever seen in my life with the Scorpion exhaust from China. And then we got Jimbo with the 1441, fully drilled, brings it up, more C's than anybody, and he's got the M4 exhaust like Sky Champion. And check out the M4, it's on POWAMOTO. Hey, can you keep up with the Gold Wing Rider? Okay, have a good time, brother. No clutch, look at that, shifts by itself, I love it. It's like an auto shifter. But the Busa lineup has arrived. Black, black, black. We got the all black. We got the all black and black with the POWAMOTO. You got the cigar, I got the churro. Smoke it out, Poppy. Smoke it.
This isn't just a motorcycle, it's the king of hypersport. And when a pack of Busas hits the highway, the energy is electric. But today, there's a twist. Word on the street is Broward County Sheriff's Office is running a heavy crackdown along US-27. We're talking about patrol cars everywhere, pulling riders over for 5 miles over the limit, tickets flying, bikes getting impounded, and in some cases, riders are getting hauled in. So this is a notice from Sky Champion. Look out! Yeah, today the game is different. So while the Busas are ready to stretch their legs, the crew knows one thing: eyes up, stay sharp, and check us out. We are riding smart.